Hello, my friends of new and old. It is Mrs. Mount here in front of my house. We are looking at my front yard. And today, for our math video, I thought we would take it outside and do some counting. So I'm giving you a little bit of a walk around so you can see the different colors that are around, the different plants. Okay, so the activity that we are going to do today, there's kind of a mix. So you can do it in two different ways. If you have a really, really big yard, like my yard is fairly large, and especially in the backyard, so I picked the front yard to do, or if you have a big yard or a small yard and you just want to do a smaller area, you could just bar off an area. You could put sticks around it, you could put rope around it, you could just draw an imaginary line, and then you could just count what is in that area. So my thought was, I am going to use this barrier, this blocked in garden area, and we are going to count what's inside. And then after, we can count all the all the dandelions. Just kidding, I'm not going to make us count those ones, but we're going to count those ones over there at the end. Okay, so let's get started. Now you might be thinking, Mrs. Mount, how in the world are we going to count all these things? Well, depends on how you look at it. You could look at it like leaf by leaf, or you could look at it by whole plant, or you could look at it by a whole bunch of plant, or just by kind of plant. So hey, there's one. But I think today we will just do it by clumps. They're kind of clumped out. So let's see, we've got 1 clump, 2 clumps, 3 clumps. There's one on its own, so that counts as its own. 4. There's one. 5. There's a big one. 6. There's another big one. 7. There's one back there. 8. There's a clump there. 9. And there's one alone, and then those two are together. So 10 and 11. So we have 11 types of those plants. The really neat thing too about going around your own living area, so your own backyard or front yard or garden, is that you get to see what's growing around you. Like, look at this cool little plant. I don't know a whole lot about plants, but I would like to learn. But there's some pretty cool stuff that you never really see unless you look at it. Like, look at these. It's beautiful. It actually looks like, oh, it is. So this is actually old flowers and leaves that have dried up, and so those are the dried petals. That is so cool. Neat. I'm gonna put that over here. Maybe we can do something cool with that. Okay, so now back to this. Now we just did some trimming of some bushes here because they were getting really long and hitting the house and becoming unsafe. So if you also have these in wherever you are looking, which, by the way, you could look in a community area too. A park is a really good idea. They're always making changes there too, so every time you go it'd be different. So we could count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, and another one. 10. Oh, and another one. 11. So we could just go looking for things that are different about trees too. There's another section, 12. I think that is it. Now if you have any stones, or if there's any rocks where you're looking, you could count those too. Let's see. You could do a color hunt. Like, I spy with my little eye something that is white. Do you see it? In all its beautifulness. And let's see, so let's count the flowers of this one. So 1, 2, looks like there's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So there are 13 of those little white flowers. There's some dandelions too. Actually, let's count the dandelions in here rather than at the end, because I think it will be easier. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's a bee. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh, and there's... No, we're just doing the front, so we'll just... Okay, 14! So there's 14 dandelions in the front garden. Alright, we'll go back this way. There is one big red bush. Now with bushes like this, you could count the amount of stems inside. You could do a competition or a challenge with your family and see. You all get 20 seconds to look and see and guess how many branches there are in this big clump, or in whichever bush you're looking at. And then when you're all done making your guesses and telling each other, then you could actually count it together. That'd be an awesome activity to do. Maybe I need to get Mr. Mount out here so we can do that. Maybe we'll have to do that. Look at those. Beautiful. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 beautiful yellow flowers in our garden so far. We have another bunch. Actually, that looks like that bunch over there. We should add that in. Add that into our total. And there is actually another red bush. So we have 2 red bushes. All right. Now, I think that we should definitely go and count the daffodils at the front. Or sorry, not the daffodils. The dandelions at the front. Let's see. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Ooh, had to scratch my eye. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Oh my goodness, my friends. I did not think there was 100 dandelions in this small little patch here. And I think I may have missed some too. I may have missed some over there. So holy moly, my friends. We just counted 100 dandelions. That is crazy. In just like pretty much this one little spot. So, if you'd like, you can, I will actually back this up. And you can pause the screen and you can count how many dandelions are in there, and then you can send me a message and let me know how many you count. I know there's definitely more than 100, which is crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Well, my friends, I hope that you have a wonderful Tuesday, and I will see you tomorrow. Stay limitless, learners.